Good morning, class 8. So, we have already started the chapter conjunctions and we have started the introductory part actually. Now, today we'll go through the textbook. So, we'll make an arrangement. What is the arrangement? We'll have introduction of each chapter. We'll go through textbook and further we'll go through Wren and Martin. By doing so, we can have the perfect concept of that very chapter. Now, you should keep your books ready and you should have the pencil while going through this video. I'll try to upload this video in full resolution so that you should not have any problem in understanding the writing or the topic. So, here you go. Start the chapter conjunction. Already you have started the introductory part, and today our study is from the book, and further we'll have some study of this chapter from Wren and Martin. As in your book it is provided with think as read this pair of sentences, join each of them in three different ways using three different words. Just like the first one is done here, we worked hard, he worked hard, he felt. Now working hard, what do you expect if someone works hard? If someone works hard, we expect that person to be successful, but here it is opposite. So one term comes very simple, that is but, and other two we can easily do. First one, it is he worked hard, still he felt. So here we have used the conjunction still. Second, we have used he worked hard but he felt. Again we have used the conjunction but. The last one, although he worked hard, he felt. So here we have used the conjunction although. Keep it in mind. First one is subordinating conjunction. Second one is coordinating conjunction. And last one is again subordinating conjunction. So in this three way we have joined this one. So remaining we have question number 2. I reached home, he had not arrived. So this one is very easy. So here also we can use but. I reached home but he had not arrived. I reached home but he had not arrived. Similarly I can write, so let me write there here, I reached home, comma, but he had not arrived. Now again I would like to tell you children, there should not be a single answer for anything. You mark, sir, if we write yes it is wrong. No, it is not wrong, it is correct. Since I am writing one, so I have written but, you can write yet also. So use all your potential, write your own, let it get checked. If it is wrong, then accept it. If it is correct, then also accept it. So it is not that this is the only answer. Since here we don't have that face to face presently in this video, we cannot do face to face interaction. So this one let us take. I reached home, he had not arrived. Second one, it is written, I can write like that. So I can use in second one though. Though I reached home, he had not arrived. And further we can write still. So kindly rewrite using these two. These two you have to write by your own. His mother must believe him. He is very truthful. So why should mother believe? Because he is truthful. So easily you can write because. His mother must believe him. As you can write because, also you can write because he is very truthful. Second you can write since, we can use. Since we can use. So second we can use since. Further we can use for. His mother must believe him for he is very truthful. His mother must believe him since he is very truthful. Okay. You must exercise regularly. You must exercise regularly, you will get fit. Now, one we can write if. Okay. If you exercise regularly, comma, you will get fit. So, this is one action. You can also write and. If you exercise, you must exercise regularly and you will get fit. Second one you have to write. And if you write negative, if you make it negative, you can write unless. Unless you exercise regularly, you will not get fit. So these two you have to write by your own. One you have to use and one you have to use unless. If you use unless, the sentence is going to be negative. Kindly keep in mind. I had a severe headache. I attended the class. Severe headache, if someone has, what do you expect? That particular child should not attend the class. But here the child is good. He has attended. So what should I do? I had severe headache. Yet I attended the class. So one we use using yet. Secondarily I can do though. Though I had severe headache, comma, I attended the class. And third one that you have to do by your own. These are extremely easy things and this should be done without any error. Keep it in mind, these are not parts of homework. Okay, this is you can do for your practice. Homeworks and classwork should be written in copy 1 and copy 2. That I will send you later the instruction. Okay. In the second page, what we will find? We will find the definitions. Here it is given the definition. And again I would like to tell you, definition is not that important. So as I told you, this is my personal opinion. You may like definition, may not like definition, but for me I think definition is not that much important. Next. So here it is given coordinating conjunction first, that in conjunction they join to independent clauses. Independent clauses. They can also join two words and two phrases. Just like Suleiman and Peter are best friend. I want to come, but I don't have the time. So I don't have the time. I want to come. Both are independent clause. They can mean separately. They can stand separately. So they are joined using but. So here we talked about comma. So that should be maintained. The milkman has delivered milk, comma, and he has also given a packet of curd. She did not come yesterday, nor will she come today. So for, and, nor, but, or yet, these are the topics we have to talk about. Match the columns to join the sentence halves. Also underline the coordinating conjunction. I love tea. Now this side you have to join. So we have total 8 number 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this side we have up to H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now it's up to us. Now how will you join? So here many options are given. I love tea and biscuit. So I think that can be used. So I love tea and biscuits. That means I will take which one? D. With one I will take D. Is he Rahul or Raghav? So I will take E for number 2. He wrote an email. He wrote an email. So we have to search that one in this right hand side. So many options are there. For I had asked him to, or suspend, or she might suspend, nor her pet. Better to take A. Now later if you find it is not matching, so you can change that one. So use pencils, not pen. She does not know swimming. She doesn't know swimming. Number 4. And number 5, I ran to the bus stop. So what should we take? So she has joined the swimming class. Number H. Now 4 I have completed. I have completed 4. So what I expect you to do the remaining. Okay, so you must mark those things in your book. This is very easy. Okay, so kindly complete the remaining 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what is written? A subordinate conjunction joins a dependent clause and an independent. Kindly keep it in mind, subordinate clause or main clause, that means dependent and independent. Just like this one, try to understand which one is dependent clause. Please come, this is independent clause. It can stand alone, it does have a meaning. But if I write whenever you get time, it does not have separate identity, cannot stand alone. So whenever you get time, this is called dependent clause, and please come independent clause. So it is joined using what? It is joined using the term whenever. This is the conjunction. Here also though Mr. Johnson is not very rich, this is the dependent clause, and he likes to help her. So this is though Mr. Johnson is not very rich, he likes to help others. So he likes to help other. This is independent clause, and though Mr. Johnson is not very rich, that is dependent clause. So kindly go through these things. Choose the correct subordinating conjunction. Number B. So what is given? Though, whereas he came late to the office, the manager did not say anything to him. So I think it sounds though is better. We must not cut trees till because they are very precious. Because. Could you please wait here till I return? Now kindly go through first video if you find difficult which are the subordinating conjunction. Here the no list is provided directly. Let us go to watch a film though after the class get over. After the class gets over, now we have completed 4, and as I told you, remaining 4 you have to do by your own. If you find difficulty, kindly send that one or ask that one in comment box, or you can ask me in WhatsApp, or you can ask me in Gmail. One more thing, that you should watch this video in full screen. Okay, so this is the second part of the chapter, conjunction. Keep it in mind, we have completed till line number 100 and page number 105. Page number 105. We started in page number 103. So here ends the second part. It will take 2 more parts to complete the chapter fully. Thank you everyone.